Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So in this video I'm gonna guide you through how you can actually find listing agents on Zillow, and we're gonna walk you through how you can actually pick up the expert one to use to list your house or your property on Zillow, and how you can actually get a sale as fast as possible. And literally I'm actually on Zillow homepage website where we have different options where you can actually find it so easy to navigate on Zillow and find the best offer for your property or buy and property on Zillow website. So if you literally want to buy a house and structures as well as some other features as well, so you can actually click on the buy option at the top left here, so you'll be able to navigate to different categories where they have on the website. And they also have the rental category as well, where there is a lot of options there, where we have all rental listing, all rental building, and apartment for rent, and some other pages as well which you literally be interested in. And there is an option for sell, where we can explore your options and sell your home sentiment, and some where you can actually value your home, as well as seller guides on how you can actually sell your property on Zillow website. And also there's an option for selling option, where you can actually find a seller agent and post for sale by owners as well, where you can actually find the right person who can actually who is actually a best option for you to list your property or to sell your property for you. And this is another option where you can actually just find agents for your property, which Zillow actually call agent finder, which is very useful for everyone who actually wants to sell their property and looking for an expert to help them in listing their property on Zillow website. So you can navigate through the different options where you have looking for a pro to help you with your property. So this is for the real estate agents, for property manager, for home inspector, and home improvement pros, home builders, real estate photographers. And for the pro option, there's an agent advertising, agent resources center. Create a free agent account if you literally an agent, so you can find it so easy to create an agent account on Zillow website. And this is another one for real estate business plan. So if you're interested in starting a real estate business, so you can hire an expert for the real estate business plan for your company. So that's actually a great way to get a business plan for your real estate business. There's an option for real estate agent script as well as listing flyer template, which you can actually use to list your property on Zillow website. So you can just navigate to any option that suits your needs, and then you'll be able to proceed from there. So let's try to check on real estate agent and see what we have there, so we'll be able to know if that's actually what we need or not. So on the real estate agent reviews, so there is different options here where you can actually locate or put in a neighborhood location where you would like to find an agent. Then for the agent's names, you can also give the search ID on agent's ID on agents that you would like to get, and the Zillow will definitely bring out different kind of agents to you, so you'll be able to choose which one you would like to use for your property. And don't forget, we also have different kind of options where you can actually navigate to any of the category which you would like to get an agent on, and you'll be able to choose the best one that suits your needs. And then if you are unable to pick up or to get the right one which you would like to use for your property, you can also use the help section on the Zillow homepage website, and you can navigate to the help section, then reach out to the customer support, and then they'll be able to help you out to rectify any kind of questions which you have on the website. And also once you scroll down, you also find some other features which will definitely help you as a real estate agent, or finding a real estate agent. So if you are actually a real estate agent, these are the categories that might actually interest you, and real estate agents in different kind of categories, which of course, if you located in any of these city, then you should be able to find it so easy to pick up an expert in a specific location, which of course your location might actually be included. So this is for California, this is for Texas, Florida, New York City, and Ontario as well. Same thing goes to mortgage lender, and these are the other categories as well. So let me try to check on California real estate agent and see if we will be able to see some agents in this particular location. Okay, so literally I think I will need to have a real estate account before I can be able to pick up a specific agent. So if you have a Zillow account, you should be able to find it so easy to pick up a real estate agent. So you can just choose buyer agent, listing agent. So it depends on your need, then you'll be able to choose the right person which will be able to solve and provide your need for you. So that is how it actually works on Zillow. And like I said earlier on, if you're unable to see what you actually need, you can reach out to the customer support by clicking on the help center here. So once you click on the help center, you'll be able to fill out some forms, and then you'll be able to get in touch with the Zillow customer support, and then they will be able to provide help to any kind of question which you have, and then get it solved as soon as possible. So this is all I have for you in this video, and if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I'm very much happy to reply to your question as well. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel as it really means a lot to me. Thank you, and have a great day. Peace.